just a short video to introduce the CE Electronics Showvan. Here it is, outside our rural offices in Buckinghamshire. It's rather a miserable day, so I think we won't dwell on the outside, which isn't terribly interesting, and go straight inside. Okay. You can see some of the equipment of CE Electronics manufacturer. So let me just turn on. Right. Here it all is. Okay, I think what I'll do is start over here with this baby. This is really the heart and soul of CE Electronics microcom protocol. Okay, and a microcom is what connects together all of our indicators to a lift controller. Okay, it's a 3-wire protocol, and the interface board we have here will interface to practically any lift controller you might find when you're doing a modernisation or maintenance. And we can program it to accept from 6 to 150 volts AC or DC, and any combination of signals from line per floor, units and tens, binary, grey code, just by changing the EEPROM on the board here and accepting those signals. There's a cut down version of it, which is next to it, so it doesn't have a transformer, slightly lower cost version of it. Anyway, once we get into our 3 wires, there's 24 volts, 0 volts, and the data cable, and that can go on unscreened wires up to 1500 meters. And in the van here we have over 40 indicators, all connected on that one wire. The 40 is about the limit before you need some kind of a booster. Okay, so as far as the indicators themselves are concerned, there are the basic ranges of dot matrix and 16 segment. One of the most common ranges of dot matrix ones here, the 16 segment. As you can see, we have amber, blue, red, green, all available. So those are the basic ranges, and then if you want to move slightly up market, we have the Century series. The Century series, you'll see if I come around to the side here, have got side arrows or sidebars. So we find those are very popular in multiple car groups. So you can indicate which lift is arriving. Okay. Then up market, perhaps a little bit more from those are the classic series of indicators. Now this is a full unit with a round cover here. It's a surface mount box, and we find that these are very, very popular when doing modernisations where you want to just cover up anything that's been there before. So you can just flap the unit over the existing hole in the wall, pick up the microphone interface and connect to it, and you've got a complete solution with a minimum of additional building work, or probably no additional building work whatsoever. So it's going to save you a bit of time and money in the modernisation. Okay, I'm going to swing around. Here we have our LCD series. I hope you can see those. There's a blue, white on blue, which is reminiscent of a certain major manufacturer's series, and then we can have a variety of alternate colours there, including a multicolour one, which you can see in a second. Yeah, like that. Okay. Swing around and just show you this. This is a tube indicator. Now, this is rather a plain one. We do have a variety of those, and often we make them completely bespoke. So I suppose if you're interested in something like that, then the best thing to do is send us a picture of what it is that you want, and we'll see what we can do. In fact, we can even take the guts out of this thing and put it in an existing front panel if you want to replace a mechanical indicator. Okay, so I move along here. We've got some other options there in the stainless steel covers of single arrow units. Okay, these are just examples of where we've fitted a box into some existing holes in the wall. this panel is quite interesting. This is some products that we do for some of the major manufacturers, Otis, Schindler, Thyssen, Connie and some of the others, where we can provide either bespoke products for them or an interface to their controllers onto our own microcom interface. So that's a few examples there. In addition to that, we've got back over here some kits that we've put together for modernisation for DDA for the EN8170 and EN8128. So we've got COPs and hall landing stations, and also here's the speech unit in the middle here, and the loop amplifier for the hearing aids. That's specific loop amplifier because it will take two inputs, so you can connect both the emergency telephone and the speech unit into that, so all the emergency messages can be heard using a hearing aid. Okay. Now, the top of the range indicators, of course, are the flat panels. Here's a range of them here. We go from 10.4 inches up to currently 15 inches is our top of the range one. So yes, that's our top of the range thing, and we can have, obviously, as you can see, live video, or we can have pre-recorded video, which is showing on the one below. We can have live data feeds, so things like a stock market ticker, or in the case of here, which is the one from Canary Wharf, the underground or local transport data. We have touchscreen versions here for destination control, and we can display practically anything in terms of advertising, floor signals, priority signals, messages, so a lot of variety here. This one down here is a surface mount version, so you can see that that is as thin as it needs to be. I'll just give you an idea of what's involved. These things actually have a full industrial spec PC and use industrial spec flat panels. They've got enormously wide viewing angles, as you can see, got the reflection, and high brightness, as well as being able to take the additional temperature range. Okay, next door to that, we've got some custom hall landing stations that we've put together over the years for various jobs. This one here is glass, quite a heavy thing, but we sell that almost as a standard product these days. So it's become from a spoke product, it's become a standard product. That's just happened with some of these things. And then over here, which I'm not able to show you at the moment, but that's some of the material we have for our destination control. So there's the indicator that will go in the door slam, showing you all of the floors. And again, there's just a touch screen with a disabled function on it, as well as these flags here, which are quite smart, using the reflected light. Again, they're being more and more popular these days. I think just a couple more things then. One is over here where we have a huge range of chiplets and nameplates, and we can make more. They can be tooled up for practically anything, but these things obviously, again, for the DDA, often will be a requirement or an easy way of getting around the DDA regulations by having the tactile chiplets there. And finally, the security system, which is a standalone system with 1, 4, 8, 16 or 32 zones, and you can operate it using either a keypad or a card swipe or a proximity fob, and they can be programmed on site for each card or for each keypad number. Okay, so that's it. I hope that gives you a taster. The important thing to know about the van is that it's on the road, so if you want to come and have a closer look, then please give us a call and look on our website, www.ceelectronics.co.uk, and if you want some more information, then let us know, and if you want us to come and see you in the van, we're very happy to do that at any time. So yeah, give us a call and book us in. Thanks very much.